What's up, homie? This is Tony. Every customer will ask me the same question. Why should I choose LCSIGN? So today, I'll show you who we are, what we do, and how we can support you in expanding your business. We have over 13 years of manufacturing experiences. Nearly 300 workers in a factory area of 10,000 square meters. 300 sets of luminous characters would be produced monthly with CE, ROSE certification, and other. Continuous efforts. Now our repurchase rate has raised up to 85%. Customer complaint rate is controlled below 1.5%. And the timely delivery rate is 95%. We also will participate in many well-known exhibitions every year, such as EuroShop and Viscom in Germany, ISA in the USA, SGI in Dubai. When some customers come to our factories for inspection, we'll provide necessary support and assistance. Our main products are LED sign, neon sign, lightbox, and non-illuminated sign. There are different types of signs under each category, so you can choose and customize freely. When our sales staff confirm customers' detailed needs, different products will be arranged for production one by one. During the production, staffs will communicate with factories about the situation and tell them. When products finish, staff will send a picture of the finished product and wait for customers to confirm. Then the express delivery will be arranged to pick up the goods and send tracking to them. If you have any problem after receiving the good, the staff will help solve and give appropriate solutions. Now I think you already have a basic understanding of LCSIGN, no matter when we pursue quality first. So if you're looking for some signs that can help your business or a reliable sign supplier, don't hesitate to choose it. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Do that for us right now. Hit that like button and comment down below. Life isn't perfect, but our sign can be. See you next time.